Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to do a Rubik's Cube. The first layer of the Rubik's Cube. The first thing you need to know is that certain things of the cube never change. So for example, this white square, the orange square, the green square, the red square, the blue square, and the yellow square are always in the same position in relation to each other. So for example, if I was to move this middle one anywhere, any of them anywhere, I would find that the white would always be one away from the red, one away from the blue, one away from the orange, one away from the green. So white and orange are always in the same place relative to each other. So are all the others. So all the middle squares never ever change position in relation to the other. So first thing for solving the Rubik's Cube, you have to make sure that you remember these colours. If you remember it by heart, that can speed things up. And the way that I remember it is I give them words. So I've got an orange, which I letter O, a G for green, a red for R, spelling ogre, and then blue. So the way I remember it is ogre blue. That might work for you or it might not. So the other thing you need to be aware of is that in terms of solving the first layer, there are different ways you can do it. Now a lot of people learn algorithms, and essentially whatever you do is an algorithm of some sort, but I found that when I tried to learn, remembering that was difficult, and I work much better with patterns, and that seemed to work. And I know that 10 years down the line I'll still remember it rather than remembering an algorithm. So that's what I'm going to try and teach you today. So the way I learned how to do it was to do the white layer first. You might think that you can do any of these corners or the middle, but if you was to try and do this and start from the corners, you would find that in order to get the final pieces together to make this top layer, you would end up taking the corners back out and re-putting them back in. So we just have to know that the quickest and most efficient way of doing this top layer is to actually do this cross first. So the way you do the cross is you can see that it's made up of these middle cubes, which make the cross, and they have two colours on them. Corner cubes, of course, have three. So for this one, we've already mentioned that the green never changes in relation to the white. So what we want to do is we want to find the cube that goes here, the two colours that go here. So we're looking for a white and we're looking for a green. So I'm going to just look around for that, which conveniently is just here. So the white's facing the wrong direction, I want it up here. So this now becomes a case of just trying to orientate things so that the white's up top. So from this cube, to get this to the top, I could move it this way and just kind of figure it out. It's not really helping me doing that, so I'll have to move it in other directions. So I'll go this way, and this looks like a good idea, because once this goes over here, it's going to be on the back side, which I can then move everything up. So that tells me, just by looking at it, to get this white up top, move it across, bring it up, and there it is. It's come back. Now it's not lined up with the green. I don't really care, but if you want to, certainly when you get faster, if you remember the colours and the orientation, you don't have to keep on rotating this back. You can probably just rotate it all back right at the end. So I'll just do it for now, just to show you. So now that's sorted. Now we want the next one, which is going to be orange and white, and funnily enough, it's already positioned there, just in the wrong orientation. Now one thing you do need to keep aware of is that the bits that you've already done, you don't really want to mess with them. Now when I say that, you don't really want to mess with the top layer too much of where you've fixed the middle piece, because the rest of it we know always will go back the way you want it at this point. So I want this one in the right place, and funnily enough it needs to be in the same area. So again, I'm just going to move it across. You'll find that a certain pattern always works, so you need to get it out onto the side just to move it around, and here it's the white piece isn't facing the right way, but again, just like before, if I move it that way, it will face the right way, and I can bring it up and it brings it to the middle. So I know that that's in the right place, and if I was going to twist it all back, which I will do, the orange is now in the right place, the green is in the right place. we're going to bring it round and we're going to do this cube here, the middle piece. So now I want a blue and a white. So I need to look for a blue and a white. I can see a white, what's that? No. Yeah, that's a blue and a white. So I wanted it to go here. So it's down here and I need it to go up here. So let's just move it around so it's a bit more easy to get to. And here it is. If I move it up, it's facing the wrong orientation. Let's move it to the side. Like that, just like we did before actually, the same pattern seems to be working and now it's up top. Haven't messed with these, I've tried to keep them still just by moving the orientation of the bottom pieces on the side that I'm dealing with. Now the final piece is this one, so you can see we're very quickly nearly there. We've got a green and we've got a white. Oh no, sorry, we already did that before. So they're all lined up. We've got a red and we've got a white. Let's find the red and the white. It's very far away, it's down here, so I'm just going to move it so it's closer to the bits I'm dealing with. So now it's over here. Same as before, you can see if I just move it that way and just shift it up, it all just makes sense. If I move these back round, it should all line up. So here you've now done the cross, which is quite easy. You can see these two colours have lined up, these two colours lined up, these two colours lined up. So now we have done the cross.